occasionally we do get calls from either previous clients of ours or a homeowner that's in the neighborhood and they see one of our yard signs where they're having some work done on their house to get a new deck. And then when they remove the existing siding, they have a gap or they have some issues, or they had a plumber come out and he cut a hole in the hardy and now they need to have it repaired. And so normally what I'd tell you is like, you should probably find a company like mine or a handyman and then just kind of let us work on our schedule. Because obviously, like, I don't want to charge you a full day labor rate to do something that's quick. And so I don't mind working with you if you're flexible. But normally it involves, you can't just caulk it. A lot of times you're replacing a board or two. Now, the drawback is now we're face nailing versus blind nailing. And so most of the time if we're working on a previous client who had a deck installed later, or they had some plumbing, or they had a generator and have some done, we're normally having to remove some existing boards, install new boards. But now we are face nailing it because we're going up the wall with the blind nail from the start. But normally that's what we're doing when you have repair. It's not hard. Normally we just ask for some flexibility around timing because, again, we would only charge you a full day rate to replace 2 pieces of siding. But at the same time, like if you could be flexible, we'd be happy to try to find a way to work with you.